Hello, I am Vanya and I'm going to talk to you about the efficiency of the cardiovascular system and its impact on our health while we do physical activities. Cardiovascular system is made up of heart and circulatory system. Heart, we can say it's like a pump that pushes the blood to the organs, tissues and cells in our bodies. Blood then goes through lungs and brings oxygen and nutrients while removes CO2 and waste. We call this gas exchange and it occurs between the alveoli and tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Gas is exchanged during breathing. This also allows oxygen diffusion from alveoli to the blood, as it is from an area of high concentration to the area of low concentration. When we exercise, our heart rate increases, our blood temperature rises, and blood vessels near the skin open up to allow heat to be lost. As we exercise regularly, our heart muscle increases in strength and size. There is an increase in volume of blood and red blood cells and also in number of capillaries in muscles. During exercise, the cardiovascular system delivers blood and oxygen that is needed for a lot of types of exercises. The blood carries nutrients to the muscles and then creates energy needed. To improve the performance during sport, we can do cardio training that helps to increase the strength of our heart and lungs. It helps in improving our endurance during workouts. A cardio training program includes running, swimming, biking, and etc. When performing cardio training, we gain benefits such as an increase in sport performance and decrease in high blood pressure, anxiety, depression, artery disease, and lots more. Some of the fitness tests that we did in school helped me to understand the connection between the two. The bleep test, sprint test, push-ups, sit-ups, as well as broad jump. Bleep test we performed in year 10 is a test of the aerobic energy system. We performed it to measure our heart rate afterwards by placing our hand on our wrist or pulse on the side of the neck. It is used to measure maximum oxygen uptake. We can also measure oxygen uptake by using VO2 max, which is the rate of the oxygen consumption as measured during an exercise like bleep tests. In the past, I actually didn't give much thought on how are the two linked. As we started learning about the cardiovascular system, gas exchange, blood vessels, and more, and how they are connected in our daily exercises, I started giving more thought to the connection between them. We also did an experiment to see the link between one workout we chose and how does it affect our heart rate. For now, I'm sure that I have better knowledge of this too and understand the link having spent some time focusing on it. Having knowledge of both subjects helps me to understand better the topics we are studying right now. For my referencing part, I use multiple number of websites that help me to do this project, such as BBC BitSize and ShareCare, where people actually share the knowledge about the topic, and Texas Heart Institute to answer what is the cardiovascular system. And I also used my knowledge that I have gained while studying about this in biology lessons. I chose to do and research on websites because it's full of information from a lot of sources, while I didn't have any journals or books with the same information and help that I need.